Q5876. When operating an airship with the Ballonet air valve in the automatic forward position, the aft valve locks should not be engaged with either afterdamper open because A. Ballonet overinflation and rupture may occur. B. The aircraft will enter an excessive bow-high attitude. C. The aircraft will enter an excessive stern-high attitude. The correct answer is B. In an airship, the Ballonet system is responsible for regulating the internal pressure and volume of the envelope. The Ballonet air valve in the automatic forward position allows air to be automatically released from the forward Ballonet when the pressure increases beyond a certain threshold. If the aft valve locks are engaged while the afterdamper is open, it means that the aft Ballonet is not able to release air as needed. This can result in an excessive inflation of the forward Ballonet, while the aft Ballonet remains relatively inflated or partially deflated. As a result, the airship will experience an excessive bow-high attitude, meaning that the nose of the airship will be pitched upward. An excessive bow-high attitude can negatively affect the stability and controllability of the airship. It can lead to difficulties in maneuvering and may increase the risk of the airship pitching up further or entering a stall condition. 5877. Which action is necessary to perform a normal descent in an airship? A. Valve gas. B. Valve air. C. Take air into the aft ballonets. The correct answer is A. Since an airship is typically flown heavily, a reduction in power will cause it to descend. A drop will also result from gas valves. 5878. To land an airship that is 250 pounds heavy when the wind is calm, the best landing can usually be made if the airship is A. In trim. B. Nose heavy approximate mutely 20 degrees. C. Tail heavy approximately 20 degrees. The correct answer is C. It is best to land an airship with its tail hefty. 5879. A heavy airship flying dynamically with air ballasted forward to overcome a climbing tendency and slowed down for a way off in the air prior to landing will be very bow heavy. This condition must be corrected prior to landing by A. Ballasting air aft. B. Discharging forward ballast. C. Dumping fuel from the forward tanks. The correct answer is A. An airship that is flying dynamically with air ballasted forward will have a tendency to pitch up. This is because the air ballast is located in the front of the airship, which creates a force that pushes the nose of the airship up. If the airship is slowed down for a way off in the air prior to landing, the bow-heavy condition will be even worse. To correct this condition, the pilot must ballast air aft. This will create a force that pushes the nose of the airship down and helps to balance the airship. The pilot can also discharge forward ballast or dump fuel from the forward tanks, but this is not as effective as ballasting air aft. 5880. If an airship should experience failure of both engines during flight and neither engine can be restarted, what initial immediate action must the pilot take? A. Immediate preparations to operate the airship as a balloon are necessary. B. The airship must be driven down to a landing before control and envelope shape are lost. C. The emergency auxiliary power unit must be started for electrical power to the air scoop blowers so that Ballonet inflation can be maintained. The correct answer is A. Without an engine, an airship must be flown as a balloon.